everyone? Today we're going to be going over AVANTIS. It's going to be a quick update because as you can see we are down 14% in the last 24 hours. That's terrible. But anyways, we're going to go straight over this, guys. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But let's go over this. So currently we are at 37 cents, down 14% in the last 24 hours. We're down 26% in the last week, 27% in the last 2 weeks, and 42% in the last month. So yeah, in our 24-hour trading volume, though, surprisingly high because people are probably shorting it. It's at 67 million, and then the market cap's at 95 million. So the trading volume is almost as much as the market cap. But I noticed that people are starting to double down. A lot of people are starting to double down. It has 105 holders now. 2 weeks ago, we had 103,000 holders. So we're seeing a lot of people are buying even though we're going down. So, I mean, that's kind of confusing. So I guess like the average person is buying small amounts, and then, you know, the big whales, people with a lot of money are probably dumping. That's probably what's happening. But anyways, here is our falling wedge. We're kind of breaking out to the bottom of it. Now, there's a possibility that we could try to break to the upside here of this falling wedge. But I have a feeling this is going to be a bearish falling wedge. I have a feeling because, you know, falling wedges are only successful like 72% of the time. But anyways, I was talking about how we would reach 35 cents. We did that. Well, first, I was talking about how we would reach 47 cents. Then I was talking about how we would reach 40 cents. Then I was talking about how we would reach 35 cents. And now 28 cents. I've been saying 28 cents since the jump. But anyways, yeah, 28 cents should come soon, especially if we see Bitcoin continuing downwards. Bitcoin is kind of going up a little bit right now, but I wouldn't necessarily call it a relief rally. And Wall Street, they know, like they're listening, like they hear people saying relief rally. They're going to drive this price down more. So 75K is probably coming next. And on top of all that, the fear and greed index is also at 11 right now. Extreme fear. And this is the lowest it's been in an extremely long time. We haven't seen this since 2021. So yeah, we should probably see some more pain here. Get ready for 28 cent AVANTIS, guys. Also look at the 4-hour chart. Just look at how oversold it is down here. Eventually it's gonna come back. Eventually, but we just gotta wait a little bit longer. If Bitcoin hits 75K, like I'm expecting, then I think the AVANTIS should definitely hit about 28 cents. So if we see Bitcoin going down to 75K, which is all the way down here at that last Fibonacci down there, then there is that possibility of us seeing AVANTIS hitting 28 cents. So we're just going to have to wait and see. And yeah, 28 cents is coming soon. And there is a possibility we can go below 28 cents, guys. Like there's a possibility. 20 cents is technically where we've seen this thing launch here on Bitstamp, because that's what I'm watching this on, Bitstamp. But if it does pull back, it could go down to 20 cents as well. So yeah, 28 cents is coming soon. And then if we break 28 cents, prepare for 20 cents. So yeah, this is the reality. This is how the crypto market is. That's why I like to say get in, get out, get in, get out. Learn how to read charts. You could literally come in and don't do any margin, but you could short. You could make money on the way down, on the way up. You just learn the charts, trade the small time frames, and just learn it. Like if you guys can learn this, you can benefit off of these small moves. If you're trading on a platform that doesn't have high trading fees, if you're trading somewhere that doesn't have high trading fees, you can do this. Because I trade stocks with Robinhood, but when it comes to crypto, they have high trading fees. So I don't day trade crypto on Robinhood, only stocks. But if I were to day trade crypto, which I usually don't, I reserve that for stocks. But if I were to, I would try to do something like MEXC. They have some good trading fees. There are exchanges with good trading fees, like centralized ones, and then you have the DeFi ones. You can use those too, but it'll be a little bit more difficult. But yeah, just learn it, because once you guys learn it, you can benefit from the upside or downside. All I see is money. Like I see it go down, all I see is money. So, but yeah, you don't want to do leverage either. You don't want to leverage your shorts, your short positions. You'll get liquidated very easily like that. Be very careful doing leverage. I don't leverage at all. But anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. Hit the like button, subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none is financial advice. And as always, I'll be back with another video.